Hello, and thank you for choosing Orthopaedic Medical Group of Tampa Bay for your shoulder replacement surgery. This video will walk you through what to expect before, during, and after surgery, and explain the important steps you need to take to ensure a smooth, safe, and successful experience. Your surgeon is supported by a dedicated team focused on providing you with a safe and positive surgical experience. Throughout your care, you'll meet several of these team members, all working closely under your surgeon's guidance. This includes your physician associate, who helps manage your care and recovery, your athletic trainer, who provides education and support, and your surgical coordination team, who handles scheduling, testing, insurance authorization, as well as communication with the facility. You'll also work with physical therapists, as well as nurses and surgery center staff, all here to support you every step of the way.
Shoulder replacement surgery involves removing the damaged joint and replacing it with implants to reduce pain and improve function. This is typically an outpatient procedure, meaning you will go home the same day. All surgeries carry risks. These correctable risk factors include, but are not limited to fracture, dislocation, infection, bleeding, nerve injury, stiffness, blood clots, and delayed healing. While these risks are low, you play an important role in reducing them. Certain health conditions can increase your risk with surgery. These include but are not limited to uncontrolled diabetes, smoking, excessive alcohol use, and preoperative narcotic use. If any of these apply to you, we ask you to work on improving them before surgery to help ensure a safe and optimal outcome. It's also very important to let us know if you have sleep apnea, COPD, or breathing issues, as these conditions can affect how you respond to anesthesia, nerve blocks, and pain medications. This information helps our anesthesia team take the necessary precautions to keep you safe.
The goal of surgery is to reduce pain, improve function, and help you return to activities. Your results depend not only on the procedure, but also on your participation and compliance with your care plan. Pain after surgery is expected. You may have swelling, bruising, and difficulty sleeping, especially in the first few weeks. Early in the post-operative period, patients find it more comfortable to sleep propped up in a recliner. Pain is managed with a combination of medications, use of an ice machine, TENS therapy, and movement. It's important to understand that medications alone will not fully control your pain. Using these devices and staying active within your limits are equally important. Ice machines and TENS units are not covered by insurance, but are available for purchase through our office. Please let us know if you'd like to purchase these items during your appointment.
On the day of surgery, please arrive on time, bring a valid photo ID, complete all required paperwork, and bring a responsible adult to drive you home. You will not be allowed to leave alone or in a rideshare service. After surgery, you will be placed in a sling to protect your shoulder while it heals. You will wear this for approximately 2 to 4 weeks, depending on your surgeon's instructions. You may obtain your sling through our office or through a company we direct you to prior to surgery. You may begin showering after surgery with your waterproof dressing in place. You may remove your sling to shower, but avoid using your surgical arm. Recovery is gradual and follows a structured plan put forward and followed by your surgeon and care team. For the first 2 weeks, focus on protection. You may move your elbow, wrist, and hand only. You are not permitted to lift your arm or perform strengthening activities. From 2 to 6 weeks, you will slowly improve motion with physical therapy and begin very light strengthening, nothing heavier than a coffee cup. Continue avoiding reaching behind your body. Between 6 and 12 weeks, you will work with therapy to regain full range of motion and begin light resistance exercises. After 12 weeks, you should have obtained full motion and may return to all functional activities. Following your individualized recovery plan through close follow-up is key to achieving the best outcome of your surgery.
Physical therapy is a critical part of your recovery. For shoulder replacements, therapy typically begins after your first post-operative visit. For best results, we strongly recommend Orthopaedic Medical Group physical therapy. Our therapists follow your surgeon's exact protocol and communicate directly with your care team, allowing for safer and more efficient recovery. While other therapy locations may provide good care, they do not offer the same level of communication or familiarity with our surgeons. We will help schedule physical therapy at an OMG location that is convenient for you.
One of the most important steps is starting your testing as soon as possible. At your office visit, you will receive a blue folder. This contains your testing orders and important surgery information. Please keep all surgery-related documents in this folder. Your surgical coordinator will schedule required appointments, including your preoperative visit and postoperative follow-ups. These appointments are mandatory. Missing them may result in delay or cancellation of your surgery. Your pre-surgical testing may include lab work, an EKG, and sometimes medical clearance from your primary care doctor or specialist. All testing is due 2 weeks before surgery, but testing is valid for several months. That means you should start scheduling these appointments shortly after your call with the surgical coordinator. Testing often takes weeks to complete. Please keep paper copies, as many offices do not send results even when requested. You may drop testing off at any OMG office or email it to jointreplacement@omgtb.com. If testing is not received on time, your surgery will be postponed. Completing testing early may allow us to move your surgery date sooner if openings become available.
In some cases, you may be asked to complete a CT scan before surgery. The images from the CT scan allow us to create a detailed 3D model of your shoulder, so your surgeon can precisely plan implant sizing, positioning, and alignment before surgery even begins, helping improve accuracy, efficiency, and overall outcomes. Your surgical coordinator will provide you with more information and help you schedule this scan at a location near you.
Insurance coverage varies. Most patients will have 3 separate fees: the surgeon fee, the facility fee, and the anesthesia fee. Insurance authorization begins about 4 weeks before surgery. During this time, we will estimate your out-of-pocket costs and communicate them to you. You will receive calls from both our office and the surgery facility to collect required payments before surgery. Failure to pay may result in cancellation. Anesthesia fees are billed after surgery. You will be required to use a brace after your procedure. While most insurance plans cover this item, you may still have an out-of-pocket cost depending on your benefits.
Some helpful recovery items, such as ice machines or TENS units, are not covered by insurance. These tools can greatly improve comfort and recovery and may be purchased at your pre-operative visit. Throughout this process, you will receive educational materials to guide you. These resources answer many common questions and help you stay on track. We expect you, as the patient, to take an active role in your care. This includes completing testing on time, attending appointments, and following your recovery plan. By working together, we can achieve a safe surgery and an excellent outcome.